Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can force restart your iPhone SE second generation or third generation. As you can see that there are two buttons, volume up and volume down button on the left corner of your phone, and the power button on the right side of your phone. As you can see, the power button here and the volume buttons here. What you need to do, you need to hold your phone like this, and what you need to do is just tap on volume button up and then down, and then keep holding your power button, and your phone will go into a restart mode, forced restart mode. I'm going to do this. You just need to see it carefully. Volume button up, volume button down, and keep holding the power button. I'm keep holding the power button until the screen goes black and an Apple sign will come up, and that means that your phone is actually being restarted. As you see, the phone is gone black and now an Apple sign will come up. I'm still holding the phone, and now I will just release the phone thumb from the right side, and you can see that my phone is actually being restarted. It's an iPhone SE second generation, and you can see that how I can actually restart phone. Mostly you need to restart your phone if your screen is stuck, your touch is not working, or any app which actually being stuck. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.